G'day folks, Benno. How you going? Today we're going to make a burner, a propane burner for a small forge or furnace if you want to melt or forge metal. It's pretty simple. All you need is 120 by 20 thread, one 10mm end cap, two 1" to 20mm to whatever it is. Right, so there's two of them. One piece of 20mm tube, 20mm by 150mm, one gas cock, a ball valve. Also, which is already in here because I got a bit excited, is a 20mm to 15mm brass reducer. So that's to 3/4 gas line coming in. And we have these, which I'm going to use for my gas jet, is just a MIG welding torch tip. It's got a 0.6mm orifice or a hole drilled right through the centre of it. It's yeah. Okay, this is really a cheap thing to do. So on the first one, you'll see that I've got some screws tapped and drilled into that reducer. That's our air intake. It goes on one end of the pipe. Then we have a flare, undrilled. This one's been heated a couple of times, so it doesn't look quite as pretty. But that just goes on to the other end. That's your small, that's a mixing chamber. That's a little expansion chamber. And that setup works a dream when you use this type of arrangement. Okay, so a 10mm end cap is going to be pressed inside like so. It's going to have a 5mm hole drilled in the centre of it and then tapped to M6 by 1 thread. This has got an odd thread size on it, so I'm going to recut that also to M6 by 1. So it's pretty simple, not too hard. Then up like so. Then it goes into the S-pipe like so. Alright, it's time to do a little bit of mucking around. So what we do first, I'll drill a hole and get that set up first. Alright, so it's time to move to the drill press. So just get that dry. No, I'm sliding off. That's pretty good. Let's leave it loose. Bit of a double for you. Got this one running down. That's last week, so. Don't like that little jump. So now we've got nice and lovely. Most important thing is coffee. And I'll just run the tap through there. Go slowly. Okay, got a nice shiny M6 by 1mm thread. And the first one of those I did was an M7, but yeah, this one may be an M7 as well, but I want to use M6, so just keep it all standardised. So, hey, right now I can hold it. Just pop it so it's pretty soft. Cuts in your thread pretty easy. Just don't force it, and it'll go on quite nicely. Then it should fit quite snugly into. Okay. Brush these off. the other way, and it sort of cleans up the end of it. I'm going to take off, go on. Not worried about that. A few days here, pinching the road. And just screws. Straight into like so. Pretty easy. Oh, back to the bench. Pigeons on the roof. Alright, so that's our jet. Now, the next thing we want to do is press that into that. So it goes in like so. So we'll just go over to the vise. And that. And you have. Okay, so now we've gone that far. It's pretty simple. Screw the jet back in. I'll probably just want to nip that up with a plier. So that's nipped up, sitting fairly straight. It's a little bit off, but it is what it is. All right, so next step is just we screw into there like so for this demonstration. So the next step is to mount into there. So what we really need is some flat sides, but I'm not going to do it with flat sides. I'm going to keep this one up as far back out as I can. These two. We don't want to just fork out too deep. Tightening. Yeah, that's a lot. But get that happening. So move slightly in the other direction. Pretty much because I didn't get the alternative square, I'm going to be able to feel but that's good enough. Might glue. Okay, so I feel like I'll show you how it actually happens. We'll go up to the gas and turn it on. So this is finished. Pop that into now, pop that into the gas source. Turn it on, give it about 20 kilopascals. That'll fire up, and then it'll run right through about 350 kilopascals pressure, gas pressure, with a pretty intense flame. Now we're going to look at that now. Alright. This is our burner. We're hooked up to our gas source, 3/4 gas line. That's in the off position at the moment. Gas is turned on and we've got about 20 kilopascals of gas pressure there. Move around this side. I don't see it too well in this light, but there it is, that's the light, it's a pretty clear flame. Give that a bit more. That's 100 kilopascals, so that will melt aluminium. That's 150 kilopascals, and you're really, it's such a clear flame. Anyway, how it works is it goes in there like so, heats up the little furnace, melt the metal inside, da-da-da-da-da-da. Anyway. And gas cock, boom, straight off. Just turn the gas down, pressures, and turn it off, and yeah, so there we have it. That is my gas burner. Now, this is something people go, oh, I use Teflon, but this is cold. A little bit, it's warmish there, and right there, right on that top is stinking hot. I'm not going to touch it. you'd hear me fingers sizzling. Anyway, that's my little gas burner. Works a treat. Catch you next time.